Hello guys, today we have here one RC Foam Fighter's original design apron built F-15 fighter aircraft. The all-up weight of this aircraft is about 0.8 kilogram. It comes with 4-channel transmitter. It has got a 1300 milliamp battery and the motor is used 1250 kV brushless outrunner motor. It is being powered by 40 amp ESC. It has got also landing gear, custom built landing gear with steerable nose wheel. As it comes with a bigger power pack and a very light aircraft, it must be very maneuverable. You can fly it in any maneuver and do any sort of 3D maneuver that any fighter aircraft does, like rolling, looping, flip, and as it comes with inbuilt landing gear, you can land and take off from ground off your hand. So hope it flies great, and let's see. আই কথা বললো না